guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today I'm actually on my way to Target because this Sunday Kamran and I are having iftar and we have about 16 people coming, and this is like the first time we're gonna host any event. So for that I'm actually going to Target, and then after that I'll be going to Home Goods to see if there is anything that we can grab. Eid is next week, and right after Eid we have very exciting trip coming up which I cannot wait to share with you guys. Anyway, right now I'm just filling up gas in my car. Right after this I'm gonna go to Home Goods first, and then I'm gonna go to Target, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright, here we go. First stop. I just found this. So cute. It's like a 3-tier. It's made in India. For sure I'm getting this one. So cute. I'm gonna get these one. They are actually skinny and tall, and I think that would be perfect for the drink. Okay, so I found a really good jar for my ruafza drink, and I think that's gonna be just fine. I've taken a picture and I've sent it to Kamran to see what he thinks, but I think that's just perfect. Got it. It's heavy. So I just got back from Target, and Target. I just got back from Home Goods. My fasting brain is talking right now. But it was a hit because I did find a lot of stuff, so I didn't even have to go to another place. Let's see, what time is it right now? It's 6:11, so I have like 1 hour and maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes to go. So well, tonight Kamran and I are going for Kamran's best friend's gender reveal, and I actually went to Target, picked up a few gifts for them as well. So I'm gonna go just touch up my makeup a little bit, do my hair, change, and I'll show you what I'm wearing. So here's the finished look, and I actually did a time lapse, but this is all only using my straightener, and this is from GHD. Can you see? Okay, I'll show you in a minute, but I love this straightener because it straightens your hair so nicely. This gives a totally different look and I love it. Okay, here, maybe this is a better lighting for you guys to see, but I just did my hair and this is all using a straightener. Like, I didn't use Dyson or anything, but I absolutely love it. It looks so nice. Now I'm waiting on Kamran. He should be home any minute. Once after he's home, we're gonna change and straight go to the gender reveal for his friend, and then right after that I'll be going to masjid with one of Kamran's cousin, and I'm super happy, but also I'm super hungry right now. So I still have, let's say, like 1 hour still remaining, so I'm gonna try and make my mocktail until then and see if it's a good drink. I'm using Urban Decay eyeliner and Uptight. Good morning. It's a few days later. Last when I filmed, I was hosting iftar at my place, and let me tell you guys, it went really well. I was actually kind of nervous because since this was the first time we were hosting iftar, like I mentioned earlier, but I was so happy that one of my best friends, she came over to help me out, and since I was hosting, I didn't really get a chance to film. However, she did film a little bit for me, and I made a little TikTok, which I'm gonna insert it right here. So right now the plan is that I'm getting ready to pack for our upcoming trip. Kamran and I are going to Cancun and we are super excited for this trip. And I wanted to share a few of my packing tips and tricks that I have learned and discovered over the years to keep my luggage organized. And I thought I will share that with you guys. Alright, so the first thing that really helps me when I'm traveling is to put down each and every outfit down. That way I have a clear vision of what I have and what I'll be taking with me. So for example, each one that you see here, that's an outfit. And I like to keep an option for my 2 bags. So either I'll be taking the YSL or I'll take Chanel with me. And of course, I'm gonna have my Lululemon, which is really great for traveling. And then here I have my bathing suits, and that's my bathing suit cover up. I have my body butter right there, and then here are my makeup, and then here I do have my SPF for the face and body, and here are my 3 essential that I take with me anywhere I go. So here is the Sol de Janeiro hand sanitizer, which is always great to travel with. I do have my Kate Somerville cleanser that I absolutely love, and it's a mini one, which is great for traveling. And then I also like to take a pair of scissors just in case if there is a thread or anything peeking out, you can always chip it off. And luckily I got my Dyson right on time, so I'll be taking my Dyson as well, but instead of taking the entire attachment, I am just going to take my little brush for my bangs, and then this attachment that is really great for styling my hair. And last but not least, I always like to carry vitamin C when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna take a couple more packs of these as well. The next thing that I find super helpful is to have these little packing cubes where you can put all of your clothes in here before you put them in the luggage. And you can find them on Amazon. I'm gonna list it down below where you can find these. Yeah, they are very helpful and I absolutely love them. And you can also condense them to a smaller pile. That way all of your clothes are not all over the place. So I'm gonna show you how you pack in here. Voila, just like that, it's all condensed to one. And imagine you're saving so much space in your luggage, just like that. And let me show you the space that I still have in my luggage. That's my tip, and I love it so much because that way when you open up your luggage in the hotel, everything is not jumbled up. Your clothes are still in there, your bags are still in here, your makeup is still in this little kit. And yeah, I love the system so much, and I would definitely highly recommend it. Whew. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my packing. And the only thing I need is to pick an outfit for traveling, and I'll wear something similar on the way back. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. In my next video, I will be in Cancun.